guys, it's me, Jay Hummingbird, and I'm out and about, and I'm headed towards the gym. I had to make my ass actually go to the gym again. I was supposed to go yesterday, but I never made it. I was hella tired after work and the festivities of the day. So today, I decided I still got to stay on my shit. The week isn't over. This is day 2 of the week, and I'm trying to do 3 to 5 days a week. Last week I went one time. This week this will be my second time going. I'm gonna shoot for trying to stay on my workout every day. That my custom. Okay, y'all. So today my trainer told me to do my elliptical and some circuit training. So she wrote up or she composed a series of a circuit training that. Okay guys, so I just finished my 30 on the elliptical, and I'm taking a walk around the track for my cool down, and then I'm going to do some arm weight machines, and then I'm just going to continue this gallop. I told y'all that I was trying to get myself together, and all the shit that I complain about, I'm working at. So it's no fucking excuse. I'll be all sore and all kind of shit, but there's no excuse to not make yourself a better person. Anytime you complain about something that you're not trying to improve, you really don't want to improve that shit. For real. I'm happy I'm actually making the effort and actually showing up to the fucking gym for once in my life. Hey y'all, so I'm hella happy. I'm leaving the gym. I actually did what my trainer told me to do today. I'm following directions, and I'm happy I actually made myself come to the gym, because I really wasn't about to go to the gym. I'm on my way to work now. I got a trip later on, and I'm actually happy that I made myself do it. So if you haven't worked out today, try to go work out, or hit up my girl GKD Fit. Online, she's on GKD Fit on IG. And then also, don't forget to like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. When you work out, it makes you feel better as a person. It's the ultimate mood booster, and it helps you want to get closer to your goals. Go work out today.